Hello my precious gems, welcome back to my Diwali look. So I am recording in natural light today in our garden. So I just used the Lush Cosmetics Fix Toner and then I'm going in with the Biotic Face Moisturizer in Morning Nectar. Can you guys hear the nature sound? So I'm just taking the moisturizer down on my neck. So I'm moving on to foundation. I'm using the 332 Golden Caramel by Maybelline Fit Me. I absolutely love this foundation, you guys. It suits my skin so well and the color is just so perfect and it stays all day long. So I really love it. So I'm just using the foundation brush by Morphe Brushes in M439. It's a beautiful buffing foundation buffing brush and it works so well, as you guys can see. So I apply it and then I buff it. So next I'm moving on to eyebrows. I'm just using the angular brush and I'm using the eyeshadow powder by MAC in Brune. So as you can see, I'm filling it from down below and then I'm brushing in my eyebrows and then I'm actually filling in the tail of my brow. So if you just do the basic thing, just fill it in wherever necessary, you'll have a very beautiful result. So as you can see, my brows are really filled in and they look super full. So we are going moving on to eyes and I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. So this is the thought process, okay? So I'm just thinking what sort of eye look I want to do. Because my sari has purple, I'm going to be using the purples with some, like the rose gold shimmer. So I think I want to put like purple on the corners, shimmer in the center, and for transition I think I'll be using the shades sandalwood and demure. That's like the thinking process. So this is what we're going to do. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit. So zoom, 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 so you can see the eye look properly in close up. So I'm taking the pack 210 brush. This is a beautiful all over the eye buffing brush, you guys. So I'm just picking up the color sandalwood and I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelid. So this does not have to be neat, you guys. It can be messy. You're just applying it as a color that will be all over your eyelid and a little bit on your crease as well. So as you can see, I'm just applying this color and this is the color and brush that I will use to blend after each eyeshadow application. So next, moving on, I'm going to pick up the Morphe eyeshadow brush. What is the name of the brush? Yeah, it's the Morphe M456 and I'm picking up the color Henna and I'm just using it on the outer corners of my eyes, and as you can see I'm using a very light hand and I'm just blending it on the outer corner, and when there's absolutely no pigment I'm going in. So again I'm going to take my 210 brush by PAC and I'm going to blend everything together, you guys. So with no additional product. So this 210 brush is actually perfectly clean. I just use it to blend in between each eyeshadow application. So if you keep doing that, right, your eyeshadow application is going to be so perfect. So then I'm picking up a Packer brush. This is also by Morphe, I believe. So I'm just picking up the color Risk and it's a beautiful deep purple and I'm just applying it on my eyelids. So I'm just keeping this on the eyelid. I'm not taking it above, below or anywhere. I'm just keeping it on the eyelid. So next I'm going to mix these three colors, you guys: Fling, Trust Fund and Rose Gold. A mixture of this. So first I started off with Rose Gold and then I applied Fling on the sides, and then I put some Trust Fund in the center and it was so pretty. So next I'm going in again with the Morphe M456 small blending brush and I'm taking the color Cocoa and I'm just blending it on the outer corner and I'm taking it inside. Can you see the gleam on my eyes, how pretty it is? So next I'm picking up some eyeliner and I'm using the Morphe M250-1 brush. This is a beautiful eyeliner brush, you guys. I'm going to show you how I do my eye wing. I love a good eye wing. You know what, that's something that I'm really good at. I was doing an eye wing way back when in 12th grade. So from then I used to do an eye wing. I was obsessed with eyeliner. I love eyeliner. So this is my technique. I just create like a little triangle on the outer corner and make sure that it complements my eye. Can you see how beautiful brown eyes look in the sun? Just look at that wing and that brown eye and that purple. The purple really complements the brown eye, right? So I'm really happy with it. However, though, I did want to make the eyeliner a little bit thicker. So I'm going in with my MAC brush stroke liner. It's the brush black, and I absolutely adore this eyeliner, you guys. This is my top favorite eyeliner ever. So it's perfect, to create that perfect line. You can draw with it on your face for creative looks. It's the best eyeliner ever. So next I'm just taking my trusted Itex Kajal, and I'm going to be lining my lower waterline, and I'm also going to tight line my eyes, you guys, so that there's no blind spot. Everything looks beautifully tied together. And with this look though, I sort of forgot to do a mascara, so please do a mascara with this look, you guys. Like, never forget your eyelashes. So I'm just taking a pencil brush. This is again by Morphe, I guess it's the M431 brush. I'm just picking up some black truffle from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm just buffing my lower lash line, and after that I'm taking the Morphe M506 small blending brush, and I'm picking up the color henna, and I'm just blending it underneath my eyes. I love doing my lower lash line and underneath my eyes, and you guys, I just love adding layers to my eyes. So next I'm picking up the color bubbly in a pencil brush. Again, this is the Morphe M431 pencil brush, and I'm just using it to highlight my inner corners, my brow bone, and also right underneath my eyes. And this highlight was just super pretty. And after this, I felt like I need to add a little bit of the Risk purple color eyeshadow. So I will actually go in again with the same small tiny blending brush, the Morphe M506 brush. So I'm just picking up the Morphe M50 brush, and I'm gonna just take it in. I think I'm taking it in the pencil brush. Yeah, so I'm taking it in the pencil brush, the M431 brush, and I'm just applying it near my eyes and also underneath my eyes, so that, and then I'm blending it again with the small blending brush. You guys, you have to blend everything again and again. So I'm just cleaning underneath my eyes, and then I'm actually going in again with a little bit more foundation, because I felt like I lost a little bit of color while doing my eyes. So I'm just applying a little bit more foundation just around my mouth and underneath my eyes. I also used the toner from Lush Cosmetics, just to make the process a little bit easier to apply. So I'm just applying the foundation, making sure that it's all blended really well together. I'm taking a tiny blending brush. This is by PAC Cosmetics, you guys. This is the PAC 212 brush. I'm just using this to blend underneath my eyes. This is a beautiful concealer blending buffing brush, but I use it for foundation, concealer, but just mostly underneath my eyes. Next, I'm just picking up the Nykaa Cosmetics contour stick. It's actually the foundation stick in 07. So I just use it for contour, and it's by Nykaa Cosmetics. And this brush that I'm using for contour is actually a cheaply bought brush, you guys. And I'm moving on to blush. I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'm using the brush by Morphe. It's the E4 brush by Morphe, you guys. I love this for blush, and I usually apply my blush on the sides of my face, on my nose. I love applying my blush on my nose when there's very less color left. And then I needed a highlight. I didn't bring my highlight, so I'm just taking the Petra by Petra palette by Makeup Revolution, and I'm picking up the color Birthday Girl in a highlighter brush by Morphe. This is the M501 brush. I'm just using this to highlight my cheeks, on my cupid's bow, on my nose, and I'm taking my purple bag and my purple lipstick. So this is again, I'm thinking out loud what lipstick to do. So this is Recollection by MAC, and I'm also just lining my lips now with the Coffee Lip Liner L1 by Miss Claire Cosmetics. So I always line my lips, you guys. When you line your lips, you get the perfect look. Next, I'm just taking Rebel by MAC. This is such a pretty purple, you guys. One of my favorite lipsticks by MAC. So next, just to experiment, I don't know what I'm saying or singing. I'm just taking a little bit of Recollection by MAC and I'm just applying it in the center of my lips. On camera it looks good, but in person it looked horrible, so I ended up taking it away and I just, left it with Rebel. It looks good on camera, you guys, but I swear, in person it wasn't. And now I'm just feeling myself. So you can actually hear. Can you see how loud the crackers are? So these earrings are by Savita Mara. These are, I love jhumkas and I have to fall in love with a jhumka to make it well. And this watch was a gift by my mother-in-law, so I'm just wearing my earrings and I'm just doing my hairstyle, and I'm going to be wearing these green bangles, which I absolutely love. And you can actually hear my beautiful mother-in-law talk to me now. So this is how it goes at home, you guys. ஆண்டி ஆமாம் 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 அது இல்லை இல்லை அதுக்கு கோல்டு இனி தான் வந்து எடுக்கணும் அங்கேருந்து. So yeah, my thali really didn't go with this look, so I didn't wear it. However, though, I'm wearing this necklace by Kota Jewelers. It's this beautiful ruby necklace and it was perfect for this look. And this is my Diwali look, you guys. The sari is from Sherville Design Studio on Instagram. Please check us out, and you could buy the same sari from there. So I'll see you guys in my next look. Until then, bye bye and stay safe.